Welcome, friends. Today, our topic is laser tools from Photoshop. So, we are going to see a standard laser tool, polygonal laser tool, and magnetic laser tool. I will start with the standard laser tool. So, generally, it's a freeform selection outline around an object. It is not exact selection, but it's a free and select. It's a rough selection, so you cannot get the exact edges. You can have the rough edges only. I am going to take a picture to demonstrate this laser tool. So I'm just taking a image, open in the Photoshop. So now I am going to apply standard laser tool. The shortcut is L. So I'm just start clicking. So the most important thing is when you hold the mouse button, immediately the selection will be made in default selection. So now I am start selecting. So I cannot get the exact edges. So once you leave the mouse, so automatically it's get default selection. So now I am starting the selection. So here I cannot get the exact selection. If I leave the mouse button, so immediately it will select the default selection. So I'm just taking the rough image. Yeah, that's it. So now I am copying the image and move to the new surface. So this is the image which we selected from the laser tool. So after this you need to have a correction work. So as I told, it is not exact selection. So now we move on to our polygonal laser tool. The same image which we are going to apply for the polygonal laser tool. Now I am selecting polygonal. So and on top of this we have option called feathering. So feathering is nothing but smoothening the edges. So we have the options also: add selection and subtract selection, that is deselecting. I'm changing the feathering option. I have assigned 5 for feathering. So on the left you have add selection and new selection and subtract selection also. So now I am started selecting the object. So if you want, you can zoom in the object. I'm just selecting. This is also not give the exact selection, but when compared to laser tool, it's give a better selection. So I'm just moving the cursor. It gives the edges in a straighter lines. So you can click wherever the place you required. So I'm just moving the cursor along with the straight edges and the outline of the image. I'm just moving my new selection in the outer part of the image. Wherever I need, I have a new anchor point. I'm just moving the image. So when compared to laser tool, this give better performance when compared to the standard laser tool. My selection is completed. So you can copy or move this image wherever you want. I'm just taking a new surface. So this is a new surface. I'm just pasted my image. So with the help of transpose tool, you can resize the image or you can expand the image. So you can apply some background also. So most of the marriage albums use this tool for separating the peoples. So I'm just applying a multicolor. For multicolor you have a option for gradient. You can apply the multicolor. I'm just here applying a multicolor. So gradient is a tool which is used for applying a multicolor. So this is what most of the marriage albums being done. the marriage couples being separated from from the background which is applied by a new one. So now we move on to the next tool, magnetic laser tool. So I'm just taking a image. So the magnetic laser tool is selecting an outline to the edges of the image and move the cursor around it on a high contrast image. So now we have a high contrast image. So with the color pattern, it will recognize the color pattern. If I move the cursor, I need not click anywhere. If any particular point which is not recognized, then only I can have a point over there. So I'm just moving the cursor. So here it is slightly white is mixed with beard. So I'm just clicking by manually. Otherwise, I can move the cursor over the high contrast image or contrasted color. So I just moving the cursor. So wherever there is a necessity is required, I just clicking and selecting the particular position alone. Otherwise, I just moving the cursor. So based on the color pattern, it will recognize the color. So the main thing is, and the background is white, so it is pretty much easy to cut the image and pretty much easy for the tool. It will recognize the color because it's a single color background. So the tool is easily identify the color pattern. So now I'm just moving. So here the white is slightly mixed with the background. I'm just clicking manually. So I just clicking manually. So otherwise I can just roll over my cursor. It will identify the color wherever and picking the color and make the selections easily. Just moving the cursor. Yeah, just moving. So when compared to polygonal laser tool, it is pretty much easy to selecting the object. So without any difficulties or without strain. So you can just roll over on a outer line of the image. So yeah, now my selection is completed. So now I am going to copy the image. So I'm going to paste in the new location. I'm just selecting background. I'm just pasting the tiger into my background. So this is how the most of the marriage albums and other background related photographs are being done with this method. So I hope this selection tool will be more useful for you. So I will meet you in another video. Oh, keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you all, and thank you so much.